Safely controls the drop rate of truck tailgates. Custom designed for each make and model. High quality and extensively tested for heavy use. Works in conjunction with factory cables. Only one tailgate assist required per vehicle. Chevy, GMC 2007 to 2018, 2014 plus work trim level only. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Dee Zee Tailgate Assist. Safely controls the drop of your truck's tailgate. Custom designed for each make and model. Works in conjunction with factory cables. Tested to handle heavy use with all mounting hardware included. Easy, no drill installation that installs in minutes. Top reviews from the United States. Must have. Such a simple, easy, innovate product. For super cheap you can make your truck just like these fancy new ones. This has already come in handy so much. When your hands are full and you need to load up the truck, just open the bed, let us slowly come down. Where before you would either let it slam or have to put all your things down to open your bed, nice easy. This product is underrated in my opinion. If your truck doesn't have this option built in, you're considering this product, do it.